Good morning, afternoon, or evening, everybody. It is Mr. Sarlo again, and today we are going to be working with comparing three-digit numbers using a place value mat. The first thing that I want you to do in this lesson, though, is take a look at this picture. You could pause the video if you want, and I just want you to look at these three people on these podiums here. What do you notice about these three people? So like me, you guys may have said that this guy over here on the green one is the highest, right? And then this guy over here on this yellowish orange one, he is the lowest, and this guy standing on the blue one in the middle is just that. He's right in the middle of these two. But this one is the highest, this one is the lowest, and this one is in the middle. So we're going to use that knowledge today, though, and I'm going to put that over here to compare some three-digit numbers. Okay? The numbers that we are going to use today are 314 and 492. Okay? Now, to compare these numbers, we need to figure out which one is greater than, which one is less than, and if they're equal to or not. So let's start with those symbols right here. Okay? This symbol right here means greater than, and I'm going to use my text tool because I can type it faster. Greater than. This symbol here means, let me use my text tool, and that means less than. And of course, if the two numbers are the same number, like if this was 314 and this was also 314, we would say that they are equal. Go ahead and use that text tool and write equal. All right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take these two numbers that we have over here and we're going to put them in our hundreds chart. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 314. 314 is made of 3 hundreds, 110, and 4 ones, and 492 is made of 4 hundreds, 9 tens, and 2 ones. So now, how do you think we figure out how they are greater than, less than, or equal to? All right, my friends, now that we have our numbers right here in our place value chart over here, what we're going to do is use it to compare the numbers. And when we're comparing three-digit numbers, what we can do is look at the place value that is greatest to figure out which number is greater than the other and which one is less than the other. So that's what we're going to do. Now, ones are just one unit cube. That's not the greatest place value that we have on this place value chart. Tens are 10 rods. Their value is 10. Hundreds are the greatest in place value because their value is 100. So in the number 314, we have a 3 in the hundreds place, meaning that it is 300s. In the number 492, we have the number 4. The digit 4, I should say, in the hundreds place, which means 400s. So I can tell that 400s is greater than 300s, and likewise, 300s is less than 400s. So if we were to compare these two numbers using these symbols that we have over here, I've written them out so that we can put a symbol right here. So I'll draw a little box. We're going to put a symbol in these boxes. Now you can pause the video if you want to do this on your own. If you think you got it, perfect. If not, I will go through it with you. So like we said, 314, 300s is less than 400s. So 314 is less than 492. And then for the second one on the bottom, all I did here was flip around these numbers. That's all I did. And now we have 492 and 314. So we know that 400s is greater than 300s. So we'd say 492 is greater than 314. And the way my second grade teacher always taught me to do it was if you are not sure, like which symbol is which, at first, you could say that the alligator eats the bigger number, or Pac-Man, if you know who Pac-Man is. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.